Krishna and welcome back to Code with Krishna. So guys, this is our second part of our Cube Runner program, like project. So yeah guys, let's do not waste time and start. So first we will open our Unity. I already opened it and then click on like create a folder by doing right click, go on create and create a folder. Then when your folder is done, open it and right click in the folder, go to create and make a C# script. So yeah, you can do it here also if you want, but yeah, I like it clean, so that's why. So now first of all, what you have to do is click on edit, go to preferences, click on external tools and check the Visual Studio here. Now if you don't have Visual Studio, okay, click on for downloading it. Let's download it first. I have it. So just tell Visual Studio 32-bit I searched. So yeah, if you don't have, like if you have a 64-bit version, then what you can do is just go on here on the first site, https visualstudio.microsoft.com. you can click on here and you can just click on download. But if you if you have a 32-bit version, then you can just click on this the same link with older downloads. So click there and don't click here, go down. And one more thing, download the community version because it's free. Professional and enterprise versions are like paid. So now we will download, go to 2019 and then you guys click on download if you have a 32-bit version. So yeah, that was for the download. So now let's click on scripts and create your script and name it player script. You can name it anything you want. So let's open our script. Double click on it and it will open for you in Visual Studio. Now when your Visual Studio is downloaded, go again to preferences, external tools and check your Visual Studio, because Visual Studio is like yeah, it's the best for coding in Unity, so people like it the most. So now one more thing about programming, that C# is used in Unity programming because not because, it's just used in programming. So yeah, now I will click on my script. What's that actually? Okay, so now we will just create. So it will take you to something like this. We will understand about these things in our next parts, but today we will just code. So yeah, first of all, you just right here. So yeah guys, just right here, I will tell you what we will create something like this in the end of this video. So now for creating that, we will do our player movement in our next parts, but today we will just make it move forward without our input. So yeah guys, let's start our coding. So now you have to just go inside the update method. So yeah, just type here transform dot position is equal to transform dot position, and now do plus new vector 3. So now I'll explain about vector 3. So vector 3 is like you can say a method that allows to take three values of value x, value y and value z. So like that. Now I will type here C. So there can be two conditions. First of all, wait 1 second. Let me get out of there. Now what I will do, okay, so now you can there can be two conditions. First can be that in your player, go to your platform and then see the direction of your platform which it is increased in. Like suppose it's increased in 100 and in z it's 6. So see in which the greater value is there, in x or in z. If you do like here 100, so it will stretch that way. So that's why see that how in which direction the more value is given. So guys, if you like see it, so there can be two conditions for in our vector 3, because we have to give three values, I told you. So mine is in x extended. So what I will do, I will write, first we will make a variable public float, and we will make here, let's name it speed. So now float is a variable in which we will we can store the, oh sorry, I made it in wrong place. I have to make it inside the script. Public float speed. So yeah, so float is a variable, float is a data type in which you can store decimal values and integer values or whole values, anything. Like you in float you can store any number. So yeah, and public is a variable in which you can change the values, and speed is just a name of the variable. So now enough explaining. Okay, why is there error there? Yeah. So yeah, one more thing, you have to put a semicolon after each statement. So yeah, that's much. Now in vector 3, because my extended part is in x, that's why I will write speed times time dot delta x, comma 0 and comma 0, because we don't want any movement in y and z axis. So now let's save it, and now if you come back to Unity, okay, now I will clear the errors. Now see, if you just go on your game view and you press play, so it will move in, it won't move because I forgot to give the script to my player. I will give the script to my player. Okay, I am here. 1 second, add component, and we will add our player script. So now what you have to do is you have to set the speed. So I will set it to something like 5. Yeah. So now if we play it, okay, I know what's happening. So one more thing, that you remember I set it to the platform to come here. So our x axis, you can see, is in that side. so it will move there only. So there are few solutions to this. First, I can move a platform from that end to this end, so then it will come, but I have placed the camera like that, so I won't do it, obviously, to save time. Now we can, there are negative and positive values, so we will use a negative value. So we will write -5. So now if you play it, you will see that it's moving in that direction, but I want it to be a bit slow. Actually, it's moving very fast. I will do it -3 actually. So now if you play it, so yeah, it's done. So yeah guys, we have completed today's objective. So yeah guys, meet you all for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye guys, meet you all in my next video.